what are filters and discuss their types. Firstly, we would like to define the filters. Whenever a person wants to clean an impure water or wants to remove something, then a basic element called filter is used. This is how we get pure or desired material by the use of filters. So the removal of unwanted things from anything, it is called filtering, using filter to reduce the effect of an undesired signal. Now in terms of signals, filters are the component of a circuit which remove distortion and ripples. Now let us consider an original picture of a car. Now the result of processing the original images with differentiating filter. Now a rectifier is an element which converts AC unit to pulsating DC. After using filter, pulsating DC converts into almost a DC unit. Now moving towards different types of filter. Low-pass filter are the filters which pass only frequency less than the cutoff frequency. In low-pass filter circuit, resistance is in series with source voltage and capacitor is in parallel with source voltage. High-pass filters are the filters which pass frequency only above the cutoff frequency. By interchanging the place of resistor and capacitor in low-pass filter, we get high-pass filter. Now there is also a type of filter called band-pass filter. Band-pass filter are the filters which pass frequencies within a certain range and reject frequencies outside that range. Band-pass filter circuit is the collection of capacitors and inductors as an element. The graph of band-pass filters show it passes frequencies within a certain range. Filters are the circuit which performs signal processing function, specially to remove unwanted frequency components from the signal to enhance wanted ones or both. The related term is